Chocolate Freddy here, and today we gonna play some Roblox. This time was a Roblox a bee swarm simulator. Last time I wanted to play, but let's play this one. I bet this he is a hacker. Okay, you are a hacker. I know you. Don't say like that. So let's claim hive. So this is all my bees. So let's see. There's a quest. Oh, here the quest. I have to get pollen from bamboo field. So there, I think there, here is a bamboo field. Let's go. See that five? It means that you have to get that you have to get 5 bees, not 5 type of bees, 5 bees. Bees. So if you get 5 bees, so you can go through here. And some might be there's a dangerous creature here. So I just do it before. So ah! Oh! Run out from the rhino beetle! Ah! 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 Can you catch me? My bees. Attack them. We can attack them. Ah! Ah! No, get down! Please, guys, attack them. Wait, my bees. Just attack them. Now, for one bees, it's easy to do. Da, 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 da. Ah! Okay. Ah! Oh no. Phew. So guys, let's make some polling. You know what I'm gonna do. Look, I have some. Let's see. So I have 4 basic bees, and now, oops. Seriously? Okay, now we can do it. Yes, great. Let's see. What? Ah, this one. I just get Puckabee. Oh, his movement is very fast, so that's great. Uh, I think, I think I'm gonna make all the quests so I can get the gold egg. Wait, why have just 2 bees? Oh, there's a lot of bees. Oh no, my pollen is full. Come on, guys, my pollen is full. So I better go right now. Wait, this is a bad idea. Ah! Ah! Phew, back where we are. Okay, this is my place. So let's make honey. That's my quest. Oh man, I need more bamboo. Very busy. Yeah, you guys are so cool. So I think I'm gonna get more. Oh, I think I'm gonna get a bigger jar. Maybe if I can. Well, let's see. Hey, is that a new bear? That new bear is very new. Oh man, I need more honey. So, sleep shop. So by the way, for that, I need to get more honey. Like this. Get more honey. So let's get more honey. Let's get more honey. Honey. Let's get more honey. But this is from bamboo field, okay? Let's get some. Good, great. This is one of the greatest one. Cause there's no rhino beetle anymore. Don't we? Just do it more. It will be good. Oh, hold on. Wait, what? But they just making some power. Whoa, 43. Okay. There we go. More honey, make 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 more honey. Oh no, my pooling container is full. You guys, come on, let's get down. I use a shortcut. Ah, ah. Who is first Roblox user? Oh, do you think he or she is a first Roblox user? Nah, they lied to me. It's me, honey. Great, 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 great. Great, very great. Like it. So let's make more honey. Wait, no, 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 not yet. So I need more honey. So I just get more honey. Can get more honey. Get more honey. Let's get more honey from bamboo field. Let's get the bamboo field. Let's get a bowling from bamboo field. Da, 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 da. Ah! How does a bee can do? I mean, how does a random beetle can do that? Attack them! Here, get me if you can't. Get me. Yeah, get me. Well, my bees will be attacking you. There. We're gonna attack them, right? Wait. Ah! How? How does he get me? Ah! Ah! Phew. Yes! Just one more bee left, and we win. You know what? How does it work? Wait, my phone container is. Let's see. No. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Ah! Yeah. Let's try more. Yeah. Ah! Man, kill again. Ah! 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 Yeah! Ah! Oh man! Fail. Okay, let's go down. Ow! There we go. Oh, man, it was so hard. Zoos 23. Duck Vip 511. He's a hacker. And that's me. Make honey. Hey, where's all my bees? Oh, they're here. Okay, guys, make honey. Great, guys. You guys make honey the best honey maker ever. Wow, you guys were very great. Good. Now, for that, we can go to the shop and tell the new bear that we got a new best ever. Now, what's that mean? Let's open shop. Let's buy! Yay! I received the backpack. Okay, let's do shop. Oh, there we go. Oh man, this is great. I think I see how to rake one. Mm, rake. Magnet. Wow. Oh man. Okay, let's leave shop. Let's go! Now I have a heavy dirty one. Now this was great. Run! There's a white pole and a white one. Okay, wait. Guys, come on, we're gonna make honey. Wait, just you. Wait, maybe there's a one bee is nope, no bees. Well, well then, just sit here. Let's see how to produce. Oh, there's one bee. I was going to do again. Well, resting. Oh, you eat it. Wow. Well, I'm gonna get to. You have to hurry before the random beetle is here again. Just a little more. Little more! Yes! Complete! We just completed up, but we just complete one quest, okay? Yay! We are back! My Poland is completing! Yes, 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 good done now. Let's make honey. Yeah, you guys, it's been great. Yeah, that was great. This is the best day ever. It's the best, greatest thing ever. Yeah, make more honey, guys. Make more honey. Yeah, make more honey. Well, where do we know? Well, only two. Wait. Yeah, you can make honey. The great honey ever. Let's talk to the black bear. Come on, let's talk to the black bear. Hey, black bear. Let's talk. Nice job. Here's your reward to hold you over. 9 more quests and the goal is yours. Yay! Now let's talk more to do practice. Some bees have specialties. For example, the embassy rebels and whatever. Build a bomb skills. Okay, red pollen. Oh, red pollen. It's always at the bees it's always the lady at there at the mushroom. Well then, I gotta get up. Well, wait, you can't see me because I'm hiding it here. It is a very genius looking. Right. Whoa! I can do this. Ah! I can't. How are you gonna get up? So I made it great. Uh, it's gonna call chocolate pretty great thing. Woo! Yeah, I'm always good at obby. Ah! Wait, I have to jump here. Nice hard to do. I only need the some thingy, whatever it is. So guys.